මාව අඳුරන්න බැරිද? මම මංගල.
මංගල? මංගල කවුද? මංගල සමරවීරද?
නැත. මම මහරජ මංගල.
Today I'm going to tell you something about Mr. Mangala Samaraveera. Actually, is he Mr. Mangala Samaraveera? Yes, we call him as Mr. Mangala Samaraveera. But do you know his full name? His full name is Mangala Pinsiri Samaraveera. He was born on 21st of April 1956 in Mathura. His father's name is Mahanam Samaraveera and his mother's name is Kema Padmavati Samaraveera. He was a clever student of Colombo Royal College, as well as he is very famous among the people who watch YouTube videos. What is the reason for that? Because he did a famous video with Vasti. I think most of the people enjoyed that video because it was very famous among the people who watch YouTube videos. If you will go through that, then you can see that video and you can see it. Actually, now I would like to tell you something about his political career. Mr. Mangala Samaraveera entered politics from the Sri Lankan Freedom Party as its chief organizer in Mathura in 1983. Thereafter, becoming the party's assistant secretary and coordinating secretary of the Mothers branch. He also served as human rights campaigner in 1980s. During when Ranasinghe Premadasa was the president of Sri Lanka, he first entered the Parliament of Sri Lanka as representatives of the Mathura district in 1989, and he was appointed Minister of Post and Telecommunication in the cabinet of President Chandrika Bandaranaike Kumaratunga in 1994. He also served as the Minister of Urban Development, Construction and Public Utilities in the same cabinet after Richcliffe and was later given the Deputy Minister of Financial portfolio. Following the election defeat of his party in 2001, he was made the chief opposition whip and the treasurer of the Sri Lankan Freedom Party. In 2004, he became the Minister of Sports, Innovation and Media in the new cabinet of President Chandrika Bandaranaike Kumaratunga. In June 2005, after conflicts with Kumaratunga, he was dropped the media ministry but remained cabinet minister of Post and Innovation. He became the campaign manager for the presidential candidates and Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa. When Rajapaksa won and took office in November 2005, he surprised many by appointing Samaraveera to the additional post of Foreign Minister instead of Prime Minister. Samaraveera maintained his other post. In late January 2007, Samaraveera was replaced as Foreign Minister but remained as Minister of Sports and Innovation. On 9 February 2007, he was sacked from the cabinet together with Minister Andra Bandaranaike and Sripati Suryarachchi. After falling out with then President Mahinda Rajapaksa, he then went on create a new political party. In October 2013, Mathura Magistrate Courts issued a court order to arrest he and 10 others for their alleged involvement in obstructing a peaceful protest. On 12 January 2015, Samaraveera was again appointed Minister of Foreign Affairs under newly elected President Maithripala Sirisena. After the 2019 president election, Samaraveera joined the newly formed Samaga Jana Balawegaya, which was launched in 2020 and led by opposition leader Mr. Sajith Premadasa. Mangala Samaraveera reported have played a major role in the break-up of United National Party and also led the information of Samaga Jana Balawegaya. He resigned from the position of Financial Ministry as of 17 November 2019. In June 2020, he announced that he would not contest the 2020 parliamentary election which was held on 5th August 2020 and urged with public to not vote for his preferential number, and in June 2020 he announced that he would not contest the 2000 parliamentary election which was held on 5th August 2020. On 9 June 2020, he also announced that he would step back and quit parliamentary politics. Mr. Mangala Samaravira died on 24th August 2021 at the age of 65 due to the COVID-19. He was admitted in intensive care unit of the private hospital in Colombo. He was admitted in an intensive care unit of the private hospital in Colombo after being tested positive for COVID-19. Actually, most of the people who live in Mathura respect him as a great political leader in Sri Lanka because he did a better service for the development of Mathura area. So Mathura people don't care about his party, don't care about his color. Most of the people respect him as a great political leader who worked in Mathura. So we say, may you attain Nibbana, or may you rest in peace. Thank you.